Hey, is that a willow symbol? It looks like a button. Should I push it? I'm gonna push it. What is it? I'm not sure. In case we need it for the treasure.
Isn't that stealing?
I'm just borrowing it. I'll give it back when we find the treasure.
You're forgetting about the clue.
Want my mirror?
No need. I'll just reverse the image. There. What runs for miles never gets tired.
It's a riddle.
Okay, girls. Time's up. Bingo's awaiting.
We should get home for dinner anyway. Whatever Grandma's making is going to be fancy and weird, but delicious. Oh, that's the girls. They found another clue on their treasure hunt and are heading home. They're making faster progress than I thought.
Wouldn't that be totally awesome if they found a treasure? I mean, there's no such thing as the Willow's treasure. But who wouldn't love a treasure?
Yeah, that would be something. No harm in looking. I guess we'd better head home too. Want to hang again tomorrow?
Sorry, I've got to help my mom pack.
Wait, where are you going? I just got here.
Not that kind of pack. My dad lost his job. End of the summer, we're moving to go live with my aunt and uncle. My dad says it's a good thing. I'm not so sure.
Oh, Christy, I didn't know. Is there anything I can do?
Oh, no thanks, Barbie. It'll be fine. Change is good, right?
Sure. Yeah, right. How about an ice cream sundae? My treat.
You know me so well. That sounds perfect. Race you to McKinley's.
I caught one!
Oh, it's pretty! Look at
Hey.
Catching fireflies in the backyard. Check.